Okay, guys. In this video, actually, I'm making this video in order to inform everyone that we all like to buy goods from Flipkart, and Flipkart is also one of my favorite online shopping sites. But these days, they are doing something which actually I'm very disappointed with. Now, I'm going to share with you something which I didn't expect from an online e-store giant like Flipkart. Basically, I wanted to exchange my laptop. You can see this laptop, which is in front of me. This is a Dell Inspiron i3 laptop. You can see it probably. Please, yeah. I hope you can see it. Yeah. So you see, the condition of this laptop is pretty good. So what I wanted is I wanted to change this laptop because I was getting a good deal in this Diwali festival from Flipkart. I wanted to buy one Dell Pentium Gold by exchanging this. So I was getting an exchange price of around 8,600. So I exchanged. I wanted to exchange this laptop. Now today I was supposed to get the delivery of my laptop, but I was surprised when the Wishmaster came and he scanned basically all. Basically he was doing his duty, but I was literally surprised, but because my laptop is in such a good condition, and he just simply refused to take my laptop. He said that he's saying that there is a dent in my laptop here. I can't see it. Well, it's basically it's a even I don't know. Maybe a microscopic dent. You need microscope to find a dent like this. Uh, I am zooming so that you can see it. Yeah, I'm zooming in. Can you see it? Hope you can see it. Well, you need a microscope. That's true. Yeah, and he told me that the laptop is fine, but because of this dent, he was charging 6,850 from me. Just think of, just because of that dent, he not only refused, he was charging 6,850. So naturally I was not ready to shell out that money. But what I find, after having a talk with Flipkart, that they also are not taking any responsibility, which is pretty surprising from for me, that that they tolerate all these things, and they are completely denying it, saying that you need to deal the matter with your Wishmaster. We are not responsible for it. It is only between the Wishmaster and the company who are responsible for this. So I'm pretty surprised. I told them, then you should mention this in your exchange policy, that once you exchange the laptop, you have to deal the entire matter with your Wishmaster. And by the way, the Wishmaster can be also manipulative. He can do anything with your laptop. And I think these days, by the way, I forgot to tell you the another bitter experience. Even with my Redmi Note 7 Pro, I faced the same issue. The Wishmaster from Flipkart came and rejected, denied because of certain issues. I think these days Flipkart is playing a game with customers like us. I don't know whether there is any commission or something like that they want from us in the name of exchange policy, because ultimately they what they want is that you exchange a new laptop. Okay, maybe you have bought it maybe for 4 or 5 months, and then you exchange it, but that is not how exchange works. It's impossible. So I think that is why I made this video, to aware all the loyal customers like me who used to buy goods from Flipkart, that be careful, don't be tempted by their exchange policy. I know they are very tempting. In fact, I also was trapped by their exchange policy, but it's not that tempting when the Wishmaster will come, because they will harass you by saying that your laptop has this problem and that problem, and eventually they will deny, and or otherwise you have to pay that amount, which I have refused myself, because I am not going to give that money to them. So this is pretty disappointing for me. But anyway, I hope the Flipkart people will watch this video, and also the customers also will watch this video and will be careful next time before exchanging anything from Flipkart. They will think twice. So okay, thank you.